One of the most meaningful dishes to me is Almond Jello. That dish means so much to me because that was probably the first thing I made, and that's something that my dad taught me how to make. I'm Dory Fung, and I'm a pastry chef in Houston, Texas. Right now, I'm the executive pastry chef at Poitín. So I have a dessert on the menu called Oh What a Lovely Tea Party. It's a play off of the Almond Jello. So instead of having regular whole milk, I used a coconut milk. And then it's still set with the agar. In the coconut milk, I actually infused it with a jasmine tea. Normally, the Almond Jello is presented with fruit cocktail on top. So instead, I took lychees and I soaked them in a hibiscus tea to give it this really beautiful purple color. In my childhood, I grew up at Fung's Kitchen. Fung's Kitchen is a Cantonese seafood restaurant. We also serve dim sum. Growing up in the kitchen was really, really fun. When I was younger too, my dad also, he let me ring the bell.
開咗差唔多29年啦。我喺香港嚟嘅。我香港就係1971年開始做廚師啦。呢個 push 攞佢話佢咁接啦。我哋馮家做飲食業已經係5代啦。呢度係我哋第5代嘅。咁我哋 5 generation。呢個好難得，一個家族係同時一個行業係可以做到5代。
So for your recipe too, do the exact same thing. So today what we're working on is working our final exam cakes. Every group is going to make their own cake. They can make any flavor they want. The Houston food scene means so much to me, and I feel like it's very small amount for me to do. It's just to help the new, younger, future chefs become the best chef that they can be. Turn it into me so I know what your cake looks like. If you didn't love what you do, you couldn't be able to get up every single day, work, 15, 16, 17 hours sometimes, and still have the energy when I'm teaching. I don't feel like I'm at work. I just feel like I'm just, hanging out with a lot of other people that are very passionate about what they do.
本身嚟嘅飲食文化，美國都仲係好低落啊！當時我82年嚟嘅時間，Houston仲係雜碎。做個餐嗰個 menu 我哋係顧及好多嘅，有啲又要保存傳統嘅嘢啦，又係要知道市場嘅需求啦。因為我哋本身嘅客路都好廣啊，我哋有外國人有中國人，中國又有北方人，有南方人，咁我哋有越南客，又有菲律賓客，有日本客。
The best part of my work definitely is when you spend so much time and so much heart and you put everything into making a dish. When you hand off that dish and somebody eats it and they tell you it's the best bite ever, I think that is probably the best feeling in the world.
都屬於一個 long hour 嘅行業，咁所以都覺得有啲攰啦已經。我做咗餐飲已經係有47年，喺廚房47年，所以呢個真係時間應該要停頓落嚟，交俾啲後生做。我入廚房。
Definitely, I think my dad's very proud. It's probably really meaningful because I am the 5th generation chef. So it's funny because my dad never thought that I would be a chef. And I think it's really awesome that I can make him proud by doing something that he loves so much too. Thank you. You're welcome.
Okay, well done. Thank you. That's it.